Hello, hello, hello! Hello sunshines! Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, as you have seen in the title guys, we will be unboxing my iPhone 11 purple! Yes, actually guys, I chose the yellow color but then it's out of stock, so no choice, I choose the purple one. Here it is! Yeah, this is my first brand new iPhone because my iPhone 7, this was given to me by my mother-in-law. So it's almost 3 years now and I'm so thankful to her because she gave me this iPhone 7 and no, I will not going to sell it guys because it's really important to me and there's a lot of memories in here. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and please watch my Shopee live stream every 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, also Saturday. So without further ado, let's start our unboxing video. Okay guys, so disclaimer, I am not doing this unboxing just to brag that I have a new phone. I just want to show you the iPhone 11 that I got from Kimstore guys, and I will elaborate my review about the Kimstore and also the product. Sorry if nag-English ako dito sa video na to and medyo trying hard. Napansin ko guys na may mga viewer ako sa ibang bansa. So papakita ko dito, may mga viewers pala ako from US. So may mga nagko-comment din na hindi nila maintindihan. Kaya nagtatry ako na mag-English para naman maintindihan nila kahit nakakaunti lang. And please, huwag nyo pong pansinin yung aking pag-i-English. I am not that good on English but I am trying my best to speak in English and then to elaborate what I want to tell you guys. If you're curious about our new setup guys, I renovated again my room. That's my aircon. So we already installed the aircon and also I bought my new chair. This was a gift from my husband for our for our anniversary, and also this phone. Side story guys, we ordered this phone at Kimstore last May 9. So it's already June 8 now. It's almost 1 month na before na deliver. This is 64 gig guys. So this is what the packaging looks like. There's a lot of scratch on it. Yan. And it says here that this is designed by Apple in California and assembled in China. Okay. Ang gagawin ko, ganito ba? So, here's the iPhone. Okay, so I'll open it now. Diding. Wow! So this is the purple. So that's the iPhone 11. Yeah. The reason why we bought this iPhone 11 is that my husband also owned an iPhone 11. We have a matchy phone like that. But then my favorite color is yellow, but it's out of stock. So I just choose this color purple since it's everyone's favorite color. And the other color that is available, red, black. Yeah, red, black, and green only. So, kunin na natin yung phone. Ayan. And let's see what inside. It has, what do you call this? So, I think this is the manual. We also have here the earphone. The earphone of the Apple. And, what do you call this, Marco? Cable adapter, guys. And then, connector. Yeah. For the charger. Here it is, the iPhone 11. We'll remove it now. Yan. Okay. So, hola, what will I choose? Hello? Yes. Bonjour. So, I'll click it. The screen has no damage or so whatever. And the back of it is really glossy. So, you can see the mirror of the iPhone here. Hello! Ayan. Swipe up to open. So, I'll choose the English one. Then, this is the quick start. So, set up manually na lang ba ang gagawin ko? Then, I will connect it to my Wi-Fi. So, I'll be back and I will just connect it on my Wi-Fi. Okay guys, so I'm back. I already entered my email and then my Apple ID here. Yeah, so this screen looks like. What I'm excited on this is the camera for it. I just have to adjust because on my iPhone 7, you have to swipe up, then you can see the settings. But here on iPhone 11, you have to swipe down. I'll try the camera, which is what I am excited for. I'll just take a photo and put it here. Okay, so we have a live photo in here. Live photo. Okay, and then this is the widescreen. And also we have the portrait camera, which is select. So when I am taking photos, the background will blur out. So this is the natural light. This studio. The contour light, the stage light, and lastly is the stage light mono. So it's cute, and we have this slow-mo. Also we have the panorama. And actually guys, you can edit your photos on here. So it will be more convenient for us iPhone users. And I'm so excited to show to you what's in my iPhone on the next video. I will just download all of the applications that I need and I will show you what's on my iPhone. So let's go into the Kimstore. I really highly recommend their products. Their products is really legit, but then they have a poor customer service because I am the one who is updating them if they already processed my order, and there's a conflict on ordering this iPhone 11 because they told us that my iPhone 11 yellow is confirmed, and then after a week they called me that the iPhone 11 is out of stock. They said that they emailed us that iPhone 11 yellow is not on stock, but the truth is we never received any email regarding the change of the color. Also, they are not replying to us fast as they can. I know that I am not just the only customer on Kimstore since they have 3 billion likes on Facebook, and I'm really disappointed on the poor customer service. But then after receiving this product, since it's legit and really working, I could say that I will order on Kimstore again since their product is cheaper than the other company like that. Since 2018, I am ordering from them. I ordered my ring light Prestigio light there for 4,000 only. The only thing that I don't like about Kimstore is they are not updating their customers. They are not updating their site if your order is confirmed, since I pay the exact amount and as soon as possible that I can. So that's all for today guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends. Thank you guys so much, and road to 22,000 subscribers na po tayo. Please don't forget to subscribe, and sali ka na rin sa aming Sunshine's family sa group namin sa Facebook, and also we have a messenger group. So doon nagkakamustahan kami, and also we are planning to have a collab video and also collab post sa Instagram. So thank you guys so much for watching again, and God bless you always. See you on my next video. Bye! Mwah.